Three big changes to your CPP, OAS, and GIS payments this May 2026. And every Canadian senior must know about all three before this month ends. Not minor adjustments that barely move the needle. Three confirmed changes that directly affect how much money arrives in your bank account, how it is calculated, who qualifies, and what you must do right now to make sure you are not missing a single dollar you are owed. And the question every Canadian senior must ask this morning is one: do I already know about all three changes? And have I already checked whether my payments reflect them? Maple Now 24 answers that question right now, with every change explained clearly, with the exact numbers, and with what you must do today. Stay with us. What you are about to hear affects every Canadian who receives Canada Pension Plan benefits, old age security, or the Guaranteed Income Supplement. Every senior who receives a monthly deposit and assumes the amount is automatically correct. And every person who has never actually verified their payment against the official updated amounts because they trusted the system to get it right without checking. That trust is understandable, but in May 2026, there are three specific changes happening simultaneously. And the seniors who benefit most are the ones who know about them and act on them, not the ones who wait. This morning, Maple Now 24 makes sure you know, right now. Big change number 1. The quarterly indexation adjustment for OAS and GIS. This is the change that affects every single Canadian senior receiving OAS or GIS, without exception. Every 3 months, in January, April, July, and October, Service Canada adjusts OAS and GIS payments based on the Consumer Price Index to reflect changes in the cost of living. The April 2026 quarterly adjustment has now been fully processed and is reflected in May payments. For seniors aged 65 to 74, the current maximum monthly OAS payment for the April to June 2026 period is $727.67. For seniors aged 75 and older, the maximum monthly OAS payment is $800.44, reflecting the permanent 10% enhancement that was introduced for this age group and which continues to be indexed every quarter. For the Guaranteed Income Supplement, the maximum monthly payment for a single senior is $1,086.88 for this quarter. What this means for you this morning: open your May bank statement or log into My Service Canada account at canada.ca right now. Check your current OAS and GIS deposit amounts. If your OAS is below $727.67 for age 65 to 74, or below $844 for age 75 and over, and you believe you should be receiving the maximum, contact Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914 today to find out why. Big change number 2. The annual GIS recalculation based on your 2025 tax return. This is the change that catches the most Canadian seniors off guard in May, and the one with the largest potential impact on monthly income going forward. Every year, Service Canada recalculates GIS entitlements for the July 2026 to June 2027 payment period using the income information from the previous year's tax return. Your 2025 tax return, filed this past spring, is now being used to calculate your GIS amount going forward. If your 2025 income was lower than your 2024 income, your GIS may increase starting in July 2026. This is a positive change that many seniors miss entirely because they do not realize their GIS is being recalculated right now. If your 2025 income was higher than 2024, your GIS may decrease starting July. This is the surprise that catches seniors unprepared. What this means for you this morning: if you did not file your 2025 income tax return, file it now. Seniors who do not file miss their automatic GIS renewal entirely and can have their GIS suspended. If your income decreased significantly in 2025, contact Service Canada to request a current year income application, which allows GIS to be calculated on your estimated 2026 income instead of 2025. This can increase your GIS payment significantly and immediately. Big change number 3. The new processing priority for senior benefit applications. This is the change that most Canadian seniors do not know about. and the one that could help thousands of people who have been waiting months for a benefit decision. Service Canada has implemented a new internal priority processing system for senior benefit applications in 2026. Applications for OAS, GIS, and CPP retirement pension from seniors age 70 and older are now flagged for expedited processing, with a target resolution timeline significantly shorter than the standard processing window that previously stretched to 60 or even 90 days in some cases. What this means for three specific groups this morning. First, seniors who have never applied for GIS. If you are receiving OAS and your income is low, apply for GIS today. The new processing priority means your application will be reviewed faster than before, and GIS back payments are limited. Every month you delay is money you cannot recover. Second, seniors whose GIS was previously suspended because they did not file taxes. If your GIS stopped because of a missed tax filing and you have now filed, contact Service Canada immediately at 1-800-277-9914 and ask about reinstatement under the new priority processing timeline. Third, seniors who applied for CPP or OAS and have been waiting more than 60 days without a decision. Contact Service Canada today. Reference the new senior application priority process and ask for a status update. A proactive call now can significantly accelerate your case. 3 actions to take this morning. First action. Log into my Service Canada account at canada.ca right now and verify your current OAS and GIS payment amounts against the official April to June 2026 maximums. OAS maximum for age 65 to 74, $727.67 monthly. OAS maximum for age 75 and over, $844 monthly. GIS maximum for a single senior, $1,086.88 monthly. If your amounts are below these maximums and you believe you should be receiving more, call Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914 today. Second action. If your income decreased significantly in 2025 compared to 2024, contact Service Canada about a current year income application for GIS. This single phone call could increase your monthly GIS payment by hundreds of dollars starting immediately. Service Canada representatives can process this request over the phone. The number is 1-800-277-9914. Call today. Third action. Share this video this morning with every Canadian senior you know. The 3 changes happening in May 2026 are not being communicated directly to every affected senior. The people who benefit are the ones who know. A shared video this morning could help someone discover a GIS entitlement they never knew they had, or help a family member advocate for a parent whose application has been sitting without a decision for months. 3 big changes to CPP, OAS, and GIS payments in May 2026. The quarterly indexation adjustment now reflected in May payments. The annual GIS recalculation based on your 2025 tax return now underway. And the new priority processing system for senior benefit applications now active. 3 changes, all happening this month, all with direct impact on your monthly income as a Canadian senior. Maple Now 24 is here for this, for the payment information that matters, every morning. Write in the comments whether your May payment reflects the current quarterly maximums, and whether you will be calling Service Canada this morning about any of the 3 changes. Share this video with every senior you know, and subscribe to Maple Now 24 so you never miss an important update.